guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and today we are doing a power hour. It is 11 o'clock right now and it's Saturday morning. I hope this video gives you a ton of cleaning motivation to get your house in order. I like to set a timer because it helps me actually complete each room. So let's get into it. This room right now, this living room looks crazy. My kitchen's crazy. I need some laundry to get done and clean up the bathroom as well. So let's see how much I can get done in an hour. This is the current status of the living room. Just toys are always all over the floor. Even if I pick them up all day long, I mean, it's still just gonna kind of end up looking like this. So I just try to pick it up a couple times a day so I have some moments of clarity. And then our shoes are always a disaster, but they weren't too bad today. And then my kitchen just kind of has crap all over the place, so I wanted to definitely wipe everything down, do the dishes, put everything away, make it look nice and neat for the nice weekend ahead. This is our mountain of dishes. This room, I often do not have time for it, so we'll see if we get to it today. And of course, the bedroom needs to be situated and the bed needs to be made, and I wanted to also wipe down the counter in the bathroom. Going to start out in the living room and kind of just go in the order of which I showed you the mess. Leave a comment down below what your tips are for keeping your house picked up throughout the day. I really need some help in this department.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
On the counters, I'm just using my DIY spray today. I kind of just mix it up depending on what scents I want to work with that day. But I do have a video of how I made my spray, and you can really mix and match however you want. But I'll go ahead and link that below and put it in the iCard as well. Does anyone else put their sponge in the dishwasher to sanitize it? I thought I would just try it this one time, but I don't know. I guess I kind of liked it. And of course, if you are new here, I would love to have you join my family and subscribe to my channel. I post weekly cleaning videos Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I sometimes switch it up and do some hauls or some decorations and mommy content, but I primarily stick to the cleaning. So if you are needing some weekly cleaning motivation, I am your girl. Feel free to share my videos and channel with others who also like this type of content, and welcome. Also, you can click the bell notification so you're notified when I do upload, just in case you forget when I upload. But yeah, feel free to share my channel.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Now that the weather is getting nicer, I want to know, what plans do you guys have for the summer coming up? Do you guys like to go boating, or do you have lakes where you're at? I would love to know. I love to go to the lake and I love camping. I don't know if we're going to be able to do much of it, but really anything with water. In June, we're going on vacation to Maui for a week and I'm so excited. I used to live there, so I'm excited to see my friends, have them meet my family, and just play in the water. I'm so excited. And then the rest of the summer, I think we're just going to focus on yard work and, you know, we'll see what else comes about. And I love to go hiking. Are there hiking trails where you guys are from? Here we have the awesome Rocky Mountains, so I love to take advantage if I can. So let me know below. I would love to know what everybody else is doing this summer.
As we stand, let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself. That this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth.
So I didn't finish at 12 as I was hoping for because my little monster woke up from his nap earlier than expected. So it got a little bit broken up, but it didn't take too much longer, and altogether it definitely was like about an hour. So not a big deal there. Do what you can, especially when you have your little ones running around. So mom life.
Shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right.
Finally onto the bathroom. Seems like it took all day to get here, but we're finally here. I'm just going to quickly put everything away and then Clorox the countertops. I didn't really have time to do much else in the bathroom, unfortunately. In this power hour, I was trying to just get as much done as possible to tidy up and to get things clean. So it was not a thorough deep clean by any means, but I feel so much better and can conquer the weekend and relax after I have all this clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some great cleaning motivation. Let me know below how much you were able to get done in your power hour or what you did over the weekend. I hope you have a great week ahead, and thank you again for watching. Bye.